Did you know that Stanford researchers discovered snoring might accidentally open doorways to other dimensions? A classified study revealed that certain snoring frequencies create microscopic wormholes during sleep. Sleep researchers found that chronic snorers occasionally inhale air from parallel realities. This explains why some people wake up with knowledge they never learned. One subject fluently spoke Mandarin after a single night, despite never studying the language. Another solved advanced calculus problems she'd never encountered before. MRI scans showed strange dimensional particles trapped in the lungs of heavy snorers. But the discovery took a dark turn when researchers realized something disturbing. Some people were breathing air from dimensions where they had died. This caused unexplained nightmares and vivid death premonitions that left subjects terrified. The government quietly classified the research and moved it underground. Scientists now believe snoring could be humanity's accidental key to interdimensional travel. Your bedroom might be a gateway to infinite realities.